Working out at home is convenient and effective. You don't need a lot of equipment, just your body weight and some creativity. Let's get you started with the essentials. Let's get warmed up to prevent injuries and get our muscles ready. 1. Jumping jacks for 1 minute. 2 arm circles 30 seconds forward and 30 seconds backward. 3 leg swings 15 per leg. 4 high knees for 1 minute. Here's your weekly plan to build muscle effectively at home. Day 1. Upper body push. Push-ups, 3 sets of 12 to 15. Chair dips, 3 sets of 10 to 12. Shoulder press, 3 sets of 10 to 12. Tricep extensions, 3 sets of 12 to 15. Day 2, lower body, squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20. Lunges, 3 sets of 12 per leg. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 15. Calf raises, 3 sets of 20. Day 3, rest or active recovery. Light cardio or stretching. Day 4, upper body pull. Pull-ups or inverted rows. 3 sets of 8 to 10. Rows 3 sets of 10 to 12. Bicep curls, 3 sets of 12 to 15. Tricep dips, 3 sets of 10 to 12. Day 5, full body. Push-ups, 3 sets of 12 to 15. Squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20. Planks, 3 sets of 1 minute. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Day 6, core and cardio. Russian twists, 3 sets of 20. Leg raises, 3 sets of 12 to 15. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 20. High knees, 3 sets of 1 minute. Day 7, rest or active recovery. Light cardio or yoga. Alright, let's work on the upper body with these key exercises. First up, push-ups, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Next we have chair dips, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Moving on, pull-ups or inverted rows, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Then shoulder press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, followed by bicep curls, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. And finally, tricep extensions, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Now let's strengthen your core with these moves. Start with a plank holding it for 1 minute, then Russian twists, 3 sets of 20 reps. Next, leg raises, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, followed by bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 20 reps, and finish with mountain climbers, 3 sets of 30 seconds each. Now let's hit the lower body with these essential exercises. Begin with squats, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Then lunges, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Next, glute bridges, 3 sets of 15 reps, followed by calf raises, 3 sets of 20 reps. And finally, step-ups, 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Finish up with a cool down to help your muscles recover. 1. Hamstring stretch, hold for 30 seconds per leg. 2. Quad stretch, hold for 30 seconds per leg. 3. Chest stretch, hold for 30 seconds. 4. Shoulder stretch, hold for 30 seconds per arm. And finally, cat-cow stretch, do this for 1 minute. Nutrition is key to muscle growth. Here's what you need to know. First, protein intake. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. Second, balanced diet. Include protein, carbs, fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Third, hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Fourth, meal timing. Eat protein-rich meals or snacks within 30 minutes post-workout. And fifth, supplements. Consider protein powder or creatine if needed. Staying motivated and consistent is crucial. Here are some tips. 1. Set goals. Make realistic goals and track your progress. 2. Stay positive. Keep a positive mindset and remember your why. 3. Find support. Join online fitness communities or find a workout buddy. That's it for today's video on building muscle at home. Remember, consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Forge Aesthetics, and let us know in the comments which exercise you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay fit, stay focused, and keep pushing your